Good morning, Vicky. Uh, quick rundown on my two horses for Thursday in race 4. Got a filly called Kylie's Angel, showing so much in work but doesn't bring it back to the track. We've taken off everything of every piece of headgear except the bridle to see if that doesn't help her. Changed a bit of distance as well, but we're really a little bit disappointed with the way she races compared to her work. Then in race 7, we got Global Thunder. Last time we were carrying a lot of weight. This time a little bit less. Drawn on the right side this time of the track. She's a definite quartet type of horse in this race. Thank you, Vicky.